everyone, and welcome back to Come Tutti Plans. This is Carmen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Here in my channel, I show you guys how I functionally and I decoratively plan my planner spreads for the weeks and for the months. And today I'm going to be decorating in my classic horizontal happy planner that I use as a journal for the week of May 13th through the 19th. So let's go ahead and get to decorating. All right, in this journal spread, I'm going to be using the Steph's Design Space books and bouquets sticker kit. So I have 2 of the 4 sheets that came in this kit. I have the deco sheet, which is this one right here, and then I have the washi and journaling torn pieces sticker sheet here. And so we're going to see what we can come up with here. All right, first thing I want to do is cover up that note section there. I'm going to take one of these washi strips to do that, because I think it's about the width of this box here, which, yeah, it is. So we're going to take this across and do that. So how are you guys doing this week? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're happy and that you're healthy and that everything is going well for you. I'm doing okay. Hobby's a little under the weather, so kind of doubling up on duty right now, like house duty in regards to like chores and getting stuff done around the house and everything. So, and trying to help him as much as I can. So other than that, everything is just moving along. Let's see, so I have these 2 journaling pieces, and I was thinking that I would take the pink one, put it up in this corner here. And then since this kit, I don't have the sticker sheets that have the functional boxes on them, it's okay because I can just write on the lines that are here as is. So basically, I'm just adding a little bit of deco, which is what I usually kind of do in this spread. So these 2 sheets are going to work out just fine for what I need them for. All right, got that. And then what we can do is then use these 2 pieces as well. So I'm going to use this one down at the bottom here, and I'll just kind of have to cut the hole there, but that's all right. Okay, we got that one. And we have the matching piece, but to the green, and we're going to put it over here. Oop. Okay, there we go. Look like pages of a book. Okay, so we have these left here. I'm not quite sure what to do with these right now, so I'll leave these to the side. Now we're going to add the deco. And let's see, let's start with this one that has the coffee cup on top of the book. I always like starting off the week with a coffee sticker. So we'll do that for this day. Right in here. And we'll do something here, here, and then here. So we've got that. Let's do this candle. Ooh. Do the candle kind of hanging down right here. And then we'll do these letters, or maybe this hand note here. Put it here. And then do a little something over here. Maybe this pile of books right in here. We'll do like that. Okay, let's come on over to Friday, and we can do, let's do this timekeeper, because we're just waiting for the weekend, right? We can do that. Waiting for the weekend. And then the weekend, maybe we got some correspondence. Or we can add some letters. Let's do these letters. And a little bit more floral to it. It already has some, but we can add this too. Okay. So do these right here. And then we can do the books. And then another little floral can be coming out of there. Why not? Let me see, maybe something like that. Okay, so we got a little deco on every day, and we have these left, so we're going to use these somehow. We're going to put this stack of books along with this paper, because it's more stacks of books. Let me get this stack and then this, and we can say it's got a stack of books behind it on both sides. It's just got a bunch of books. Put this right in here. Ooh, I can put the pen. This pen can go here. And then add this to the little thing here, and then add another little bunch of florals, because this doesn't have any. You can add the floral to the corner here. Just lift this a little bit, and then have this kind of coming out right in here. I think that looks good. Okay, we're gonna cut just that little extra off. Awesome. All right, let's see here. And then we've just got a bunch of books. So we got the book here. We're gonna put the book like this. And then we're gonna do the letters. We're gonna cluster these stickers. So we got the letters plus a floral in the background. How can we do this? So we want to see the most of the floral as possible. Do you want it on top, or do we want it at the bottom? I think we want it on top, actually. I don't know why I like how that looks. Okay, but I do. So we're gonna do this. Looks pretty. And then we're gonna add a Steph's Design space here. So we know that the sticker kit came from Steph's Design Space. And we're not quite done just yet, because we still have some washi that we can work with here. I am thinking, since I used it on one side, maybe I can use it on the other. It's kind of like maybe right here, but not all the way across. We can just kind of cut it right here. Okay, I think that looks good. Put this back right here. Now we have these pretty floral washis that are a little thicker. I think I want to put it across the bottom. Right here. And then I do have this washi cutter. I don't know why I didn't use this earlier and why I used my finger. Okay. And then I'm going to use the other part of the washi up at the top over here. Okay. I want to use more, but I know sometimes less is more, right? At least that's what I've heard. I'm going to do it anyway. I want to see the deco. Plus, the washi strip's not going to take up a lot of space anyway. It's just a little bit. All right, so move this to the side and get my washi cutter. All right, so what I was thinking is actually this. Not even go all the way across. Just kind of Let's see, how many of these bouquets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Huh. So maybe let's cut at the 5th one and then we'll just take one out. So we'll do this. All right, 5. And so we got 5 going across that way, and then we're gonna do the same thing over here. But we're gonna cut it at the 5th one, so this one will not be a part of it, which is okay. All right, so we got a little bit of the washi back on there. All right, everyone, and I actually think that with that, this spread is ready for a week of journaling. It came together just like that. I'm super excited with how it turned out, and I am very thankful that you guys came and took some time to hang out with me today while I was decorating my journal spread. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!